People like to use the term small business, but let's be honest, it's only small if it's somebody else's business. Sure, the number of employees and zeros on the invoice may be smaller, but the commitment and decisions are just as big. In fact, you could argue that they're even bigger. Every hire, every vendor choice, every purchase is magnified, right down to what you drive. I mean, pickups are great for running errands, but you're running a business, and that takes more. The kind of more that comes from 100 years of commercial duty experience. More space, more strength, more durability, without making anyone's job any more difficult. International TerraStar, the commercial duty strength your business deserves. Because no matter what that business is, there's nothing small about it.